Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest 10.25 inch Android screen, Android 10 version, installed in a 2015 Mercedes C-Class. This is our latest screen with Android 10. You can see how clean and nice is installation with our special bracket. We just released this unit, Android 10, and it's ready for market. It retains all the factory functions. By clicking on NTG, you can see the NTG side of the car. You can use all the factory functions. You can go to radio, you can go to reverse, it retains all the factory functions. By touching the screen, it goes to the aftermarket mode, same as the new Mercedes UI. And as I said, this is Android 10. And it comes with built-in CarPlay. So we can use Google Maps, we can use Waze. All those functions are available. The latest feature is the DSP. Technically, you can control the sound from our screen with the equalizers. You can go to smart bass, balance, loudness, delay, and filter. So you can use all these extra functions on DSP. Dashboard is here with the RPM and speedometer. You can change it to miles per hour or Fahrenheit for US customers. All the apps are here. You can watch video. You can see the response of the screen is amazing. It's really smooth. Play Store is here. You can download any other apps that you want. Instruction of the unit is built into the unit. Spotify, YouTube. I'm gonna turn off the volume because of the copyright. I cannot play the sound. So I'm playing from YouTube right now. And on the aftermarket side, I can go to reverse camera as well. The factory reverse camera, or if you don't have camera, we can add camera to our screen too. The other cool option that we're gonna have it soon, it's the ambient light. inside the vehicle, so you can have different colors for ambient lights. You can change it to different colors. This option will be available soon on our accessories section. If you're interested to get this type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. This is the latest iNav screen in a 2015 Mercedes C-Class. With 1920 resolution, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of hard with 8-core processor.